Let's get started with the remote control. At the bottom, there are 3 icons. The first one is a volume control. You can change volume from right and left ear separately, or tap this icon to put them together as one slider. Drag the slider up to increase volume and down to decrease volume. Return to the default volume by moving the slider back to 8. The middle icon on the bottom taskbar opens the sound balance adjustments. Drag the slider up to increase treble or high frequency sounds and down to increase the bass or low frequency sounds. The icon on the right of the bottom taskbar opens the directionality settings. The illustration in the center of the screen shows which direction the microphones will be prioritizing sound from. In the default setting, the hearing aids are picking up sounds from all directions and automatically balancing them. Now, imagine you were walking in a park and would like to focus your hearing aids to the left or right side, since your friend is talking to you from that direction. Simply tap the corresponding side of the illustration to focus the microphones on sound coming from that side. You can choose to focus your hearing on sounds from the left, right, back, or front. Note that the automatic bar is no longer highlighted, indicating that your hearing aids are capturing sound from a single fixed direction now. Depending on the hearing aid's technology level, you might have the option of a very narrow directional focus to the front. This will help you follow a conversation in a very noisy situation, just by looking straight at the person you want to hear. You can also choose to hear sound from all directions with equal emphasis by clicking on the user in the middle. To return to the automatic microphone setting, just tap Auto. Right above the superior taskbar is the Hearing Program menu. Tapping here will show you any programs your hearing care professional may have created for specific situations. You can rename your hearing programs if desired by tapping on the pencil icon.